In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of how the program is structured with the different levels of the course, the units, the topics, and the learning targets, and kind of how those all fit together and how we can keep drilling down into them. This is all part of Phase 1, establishing the actual framework. Now later on in Phase 2, we will create activities that we will tie to the topics and learning targets. But that is not something that we're getting to yet. We're not going to actually document at this point how we teach this material. We're just setting up a framework for what we teach. So when I log in, I'm going to come to this courses page, and of course it's right here if you need to get back to this page at any point from another place. And it starts with the lowest grade level and works its way up. So I'm going to go into a 4th grade course here in just a minute, and I don't see that on this page, so I can use my arrows over here to progress through the pages, or I can use a keyword. I can narrow by department or by grade level until I find what I'm looking for. So if I change that and click search, now I'm going to find all the 4th grade courses. So let's take a look. Let's drill in a little bit to this English Language Arts. Now, when you look at this title, you can see that it's been copied over from the model curriculum from the state. It's listed as pending because we're currently in an editing phase. Once you tell me that your team has finished modifying the curriculum to fit the needs of Southwest Park, then I will go in and change the status to show that it is no longer being worked on. So we click on the title here, and that's going to drill us into some general information about this course. Over here on the left, I want to show you that this is kind of like a little "you are here" map. We're at the course level right now. We can drill into the units. In fact, you can see the units are listed here. They have them broken down by quarters. And below that, we're going to have topics. And within the topics, we're going to have learning targets. So this is kind of the drill in, and we're right at the very highest level right now. I also want to show you this quick navigate. This is going to be something that you'll probably use quite a lot. If I click up here, you can see that we're currently on the course page. But if I hover over that, it'll list out all of the units. And if I hover over a unit, it'll show me all the topics within that unit. So this will be a really good way to see an overview of the course and to drill down. We can also click over here where it says Big Picture. Big Picture will show us the units, the topics, and the learning targets within that. So it's all listed out in a big long hierarchy list. The course can also be printed, which will be a several page document if you choose to do that, but you could also print the entire course. That'll be definitely something helpful once we're finished with this framework. If you want to have a print copy in a binder in your room, that might be something helpful. So I'm going to go back to the course, go back into it. We can jump into the quarters either through this up here, or we can click on the title of the quarter right here. Now I don't imagine you'd want to rearrange those if they're organized by quarter, because they need to go 1, 2, 3, 4. But anytime you see these little bars right here, it means that you can drag and drop these into a different order. If you decide you want to focus on the speaking and listening topic first, we can drag it up to the top and let go of it, and our page is going to reload, hopefully. Maybe not. I didn't get my little lines. Saw a little dashed line that popped in there. There we go. And now speaking and listening has been moved to the top. If you decide you don't want a topic within this particular unit, if we needed to copy that particular topic into a different quarter, then we could go back and copy just that topic into our new quarter. Or it might be just as easy just to type it in as well. So those are just kind of some basic navigations. We can continue to drill into those topics, or we could use the navigate shortcuts at the top to drill into those topics and see the learning targets. These are listed out by standard, and if we want to create, maybe we need to break it down more, like this particular one might need to be broken down into some more specific learning targets. And so I'll make another video to show you how to break down your learning targets even further if you need them to be very specific for your activities that you're going to put in as part of Phase 2. As always, if you have any questions, please post them in the discussion board, email them to me, contact one of the teacher leaders. You have lots of resources here for your support help. There's also support for Build Your Own Curriculum. There's a support link right here, and they are very good at getting back with you and helping you understand how to use their program. So please don't hesitate to use any of those methods if you have questions and need to learn how to use this.